Today, we're making Mapu Tofu, an iconic staple of Chinese food. This dish tastes fantastic and has a nice subtle buzz from the Szechuan pepper and a kick of spicy from the sauce. Whether you're looking for an easy meal prep or just a quick and easy meal, this recipe is for you, and dinner will be ready in 10 minutes. Let's get cooking. Cut up one block of firm tofu into half-inch cubes. On a wok set to high heat, add about 2 pounds of ground pork. Then crush 2 garlic cloves. Cut 3 slices of ginger. And toss. Cut 1 green onion as well. Once cooked, add 3 tablespoons of spicy bean sauce. Then add 1 cup of chicken broth. Add the tofu, and add a cornstarch slurry that consists of 2 tablespoons of water and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. This will thicken up our sauce. Feel free to also add 2 to 3 crushed Szechuan peppers. Mix it all together. And boom, you have Mapu Tofu. This is such an essential Chinese dish. I like to eat this with some rice and other veggies, but it makes for a great quick meal with very little prep work. If this looks delicious, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and let me know down in the comments below what your favorite Chinese food dish is.